How can you enable the Allow Access pop-up on the iPhone? Let me explain it. If it's your first time here, subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss anything important. Well, usually when you open up the app for the first time and you try to access a feature which needs your camera access or microphone or photos, right? You're going to get a pop-up like this when it asks you that the app wants to access your camera, right? So you can click on allow or not allow. But if you don't get the pop-up anymore, it just means that you have selected one option and the app doesn't need to ask you anymore, right? So you cannot really bring the pop-up back, but you can most definitely change the settings for it, right? So if I, for example, clicked on allow access for the camera, I can always change it later in the settings. So I would open up the main settings app and go to the privacy and security section. And in there, I get to control that said thing. For example, in our case, it was the camera. So I can click on the camera access and I can change it, allow it, not allow it for every third-party app which has requested the feature in the past, right? So even though you cannot really bring the pop-ups back, you can change it like this, right, in the settings. And this applies to the microphone access or the other stuff like location and photos and health related stuff, right? So it depends on the app and the use case, but this is generally where you can control it. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I'm gonna catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.